A lot of the time we can actually repair computers, but sometimes we can't repair it. What we can do is to salvage some parts. Take the laptop and flip it over. To find the RAM or the random access memory, we're usually looking for a slot like this. So open up the screw here, and this compartment can be opened. Then we have two small holders on the side here, so gently grab them and push them to each side, and the spring will put the RAM up. And do that for the remaining RAM sticks if you have more than one. There we have it. This RAM can be put into another computer, and each RAM doesn't have to be the same size, they just have to be the same DDR. I have a tutorial on how to check DDR, but you can easily upgrade your RAM at another older computer by just inserting these sticks into another project. Very handy indeed. Well, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and may your saved components be very useful and serve you in future projects. Thanks a lot for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, please leave me a like for every RAM stick you got out there. Do that, and I'll see you in future videos. We're back with a new tech tutorial every Tuesday, so please stay tuned. This is your host Gmodism, signing out.